Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to withdraw money from to your Solflare wallet to your bank account. Solflare wallet is a non-custodial Solana wallet, meaning it doesn't directly support fiat withdrawals to a bank account. To withdraw money from Solflare to your bank account, you will need to transfer your Sol to a cryptocurrency exchange that allows fiat withdrawals. So, how you can do it? First, open your Solflare wallet. Ensure you have Sol or another token you want to withdraw. Then just select Send from here. Then after selecting, paste the exchange deposit address. Enter the amount of Solana you want to send. Confirm the transaction and pay the Solana network fee. Once your Sol arrives on the exchange, go to the trading and sell section. Sell Sol for USD, Euro, or your preferred fiat currency. Move the converted fiat balance to your exchange's fiat wallet. Then navigate to withdraw fiat withdrawal. Select your bank transfer method. Enter your bank details and withdrawal amount. Confirm and complete the withdrawal. And that's it. That's how you can withdraw from your Solflare wallet to your bank account.